What is up, my Forex for Beginners family? Okay, so today we're going to be downloading MetaTrader 4. So you may hear MetaTrader 4 also called MT4. That's just the short abbreviation people use. So MT4 or MetaTrader 4. But before we click on the download button, I want to have a little chat about what this trading software is, MetaTrader 4. So let me explain it this way. We'll start at the Forex broker. So the Forex broker is a company that gives traders like us access to the real markets that we can trade. And in order to place those trades, the Forex broker needs software to allow us traders at home to place trades on the market. So a company designed MetaTrader 4, MT4, and that's the software that we all use to access the markets. So basically, the Forex broker pays money to MetaTrader 4 to license their software for us to trade, which is MetaTrader 4, MT4, and that's how it works. Regardless of what Forex broker you choose to use today, through this course that I'm teaching you, I will teach you how to use MetaTrader 4. So, regardless of what broker you choose, the training is applicable to all brokers because they all provide you to trade and place trades on the market using MetaTrader 4. Another thing I wanted to bring up is a question I often get is, shouldn't I be using MetaTrader 5? Well, the answer is no. I understand that you think, MetaTrader 5 is the newest version, but it is, but it isn't. MetaTrader 5 is used more for software or algorithmic trading. And that's something you can possibly do in the future, but it's when you want to design a trading bot or robot to control or take your trades based on a trade plan you've set. In the future, yeah, once you learn how to trade and develop a winning strategy, you can automate it into a trading bot and run it on either MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. But for us to simplify things and go to the core software everyone uses for placing trades manually is using MetaTrader 4, and that's what we're going to install, and that's what I'm going to show you how to use. We're going to be downloading using MetaTrader 4 for Windows. I prefer using a PC or a laptop for my trading analysis and using MetaTrader 4. So this training is going to be based on a Windows application. You can still download it for a MacBook if that's your preference. There may be some slight differences, but you can still watch this training, and generally it'll be the same. I don't suggest downloading it on your iPhone or your Android phone. You can do that at a later time. It's simple to install, but you lose some of the core features. So that's why I'm going to teach you how to use MetaTrader 4 on a desktop computer or laptop. Okay, so at the bottom of this video, I'm going to provide the links to download MetaTrader 4. So look for the links below this video and go ahead and just click on the link. It'll open up a download right there. You see it's already downloaded. It's a really small file. Go ahead and open up the folder. Okay, go ahead and double click on Fusion Market Setup. Hit next when you see this pop up. The installation has already started. It's fairly quick. You can see finished is now a button, and click. So if any reason you don't get a pop-up, just come to your desktop. You should have a shortcut right here. Just double click on it and it should open up Fusion Markets. Okay, if you get any pop-ups here, just close them about opening a new account. We already have an account. That's the login screen here. I'll show you how to do it. Just go to File and log into Trade Account. Before we log in, I want you to click on Journal. This Journal tab right here. This tells us, if there's an error. On the bottom right here, you can see it shows no connection. That means we're not connected. We're not logged into our account yet. Okay, so we're going to go File, log into Trade Account. Okay, so now we're going to need the email from the other day. The email that had our login information. So here, on the left here, the first information we need is login. So over here in our email, here's the login. We're going to copy it. And then we're going to paste it. Next, we're going to need the password. So we're going to go to our email and copy the password. We're going to come back into MetaTrader 4 and paste it. The last thing we want to check is the server. See how it says Fusion Markets Demo? We want to go over here on the left and make sure Fusion Markets Demo is selected. You can see there's other servers, live servers, when we go make a live account. But right now we're just using a demo account. We're trading the live markets, but with fake money. So we're going to hit login. That noise right here that you heard, that's the famous MetaTrader 4 login noise. Get used to that. On the bottom right here, you can see that now we have a connection. We have data coming and going. Also in the Journal tab, it tells us we had a successful authorization, so we're logged in. And now we're going to click on the Trade tab, and you can see our demo account has a $250 USD balance. We have now successfully logged in.
Quickly show you some stuff. So you could just, close this, close this, close this. You can expand that. You can close that. All of this stuff I'm going to show you after. This lesson was just to download and log into your trade account. You can just close all this stuff and see this line right here. You can click it with your mouse and just kind of reduce it. And, I'm going to teach you all this later, but essentially this is what we use to place trades. I can get rid of the grid like that. And yeah, so, if you want to quickly place a trade, you just go to New Order. You can hit Sell, hit OK, hit Place to Sell. This is how you click on this and hold your mouse, and this is setting what we call a stop loss. When you initially start the program and you try to set a stop loss, you're going to get this pop-up that says one-click trading. For now, I want you to, because you're a beginner, I don't want you to accept this. I want you to just hit cancel. What it does is when you make a trade or you place a trade or you change something about your trade, it gives you a double pop-up to confirm you actually want to do what you're doing. Once you become more efficient in trading, you can get rid of this second level of authentication before it modifies your order. So yeah, so don't worry about all this. That's how you set a stop loss. Here's a take profit. We placed a one lot trade. That's actually quite large. We're obviously not going to do that in our demo account, but check this out. Right now our stop loss is set at $543, and our take profit is at $3,388. So yeah, so that's a large trade. We're not going to do that. I'll quickly show you how to close a trade. So this is just our profit loss as price fluctuates, and that's our account balance, and that's how much equity we have. This is how you quickly close a trade, and that's it. But when we're learning to trade, and I'm going to go through all this in detail, we're going to select the smallest trade size, so 0.01, and look at the difference now. So when we set a stop loss now, we're going to be risking, over here it shows we're risking $10. Like I said in the first lesson, we're going to risk $10, and we're going to shoot for making, say, this level here. So you can see if you move your mouse, it shows you there. So this is a $38 take profit, and we're risking $10 to make $30. So that's a 3x return, and that's the name of the game. I want you to learn how to take small trades and practice the skill. We have lots to learn, and you can see, you can start off by taking small trades. Eventually you can move into making huge trades and making a huge amount of profit. But it all starts with taking your first trade and learning chart analysis. So I hope you enjoyed that lesson. We have a lot of great content to come, and we're just getting started. So I'm really excited, and I hope you're excited. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.